Felix Pontino Jr. Here we go. Second run on the stretch right there. Wow, look at that. Ikot right here. So, oh, almost hitting that cone. Grabe, wow. Very nice maneuver by Felix Pontino Jr. Now, let's see if he'll be able to beat his own time right here. He is looking good and going into the tight round. This is the 3-tier 360 ano, combination. So, tatlo po yung iikutin mo dito. So, there we go. Another one right here. And that's it. Here we go. Home stretch now for Felix Pontino Jr. on board Honda Civic right here. Here we go. Oh, 103.20. All right, Siraj Pingyaman right here on the stretch. Continuing the Novice Stock B category. Here we go. Of course, you are watching Eneos Regional Autocross Championships. Wow, nice maneuver. If you could see, if you saw his run a while ago, siya po yung gumagamit ng handbrake, no? Handbrake technique going into this three-tiered 360 maneuver obstacle right here. So, and of course, he is also the fastest time in the Novice Stock A category. So, si Raj Pingyaman with a 1 minute .74. So, let's see if mabit ba niya yung time niya sa Novice Stock A. Now, look at the time, 57, 58, 59. Wow, an improvement there for si Raj. Improvement ba? Oh, yes. That's an improvement there for Siraj. 1 minute .74, .55. So, nice one. Dean Malyari on the track. There you go. It's a good one right here. Looking good right there. Going into the U-turn right here. Then navigating to another U-turn right here. So, after the long stretch, not so long, siguro mga 180 stretch right there. So, Dean Malyari right here. There we go. Looking good. Let's see and how he maneuvers right here. So, look at that. Wow, look at that. Dean Malyari. Sporting a Honda right here. Yeah, it's a Honda City. Nice maneuver. Now going into this one right here. And navigating that one. Now on to 1:11:13. Ah, nice time. Here we go. Another one, hit number 2 right here for Vanessa Domingo. Now, if you want to see her, how she manages this one, now going into the turn. Oh, look at that. Slowly but surely right here for Vanessa Domingo. There we go. Slowly but surely right here. Here we go. Figure 8.
Line up your cars now.
She's navigating. She's driving so well. So one of the few lady drivers who's doing this one right here. So there you go. Here we go. Home stretch. Slowly but surely into the home stretch. I think she didn't score a DNF. She's looking good right here. 130.82.